Dear friends, welcome to SAP World. Today I would like to give you a little introduction about this product called SAP Pbf. The acronym for Pbf is Public Budget Formulation. SAP Public Budget Formulation is a comprehensive web-based solution that supports the entire public sector organization through the complete budget development. This means that this product is mainly useful for public sector organizations or any other universities or education institution. They can use the PEP calculations for their organization. That is up to them. They can utilize this product. And the enhanced features for this product is very good. And SAP PBF can also use it as a standalone application and we can integrate with SAP or non-SAP solutions. While coming to the non-SAP solutions, you can load the data through flat files. One more thing I would like to inform, this SAP PBF is a enhancing of SAP Business Warehouse solutions. The backend for PBF is Business Warehouse and the front end is Visual Composer. For this reason, this SAP PBF is a comprehensive web-based solution. While coming to the SAP integration with SAP systems, as we already know that this SAP PBF one more function called PEP personal expenditure planning. For this require employee data and position data, and this data normally we can call it as human resource data. And SAP given predefined tables and predefined data sources in ECC. To get the data from ECC to Business Warehouse, in the same fashion it is applicable for SAP PBF. The reason is for SAP PBF the backend is Business Warehouse solutions. Activate the data source, map the transformations, create info package, create a DTP, trigger info package, and the data move to persistent changing area, run the DTP, and the data will move to from PSA to data targets. The procedure is same for SAP PBF and Business Warehouse. The solution is same. On the next slide, I'm going to explain the versions for PBF. The versions for PBF are 7.0, 8.0 and 8.1, PBF 9.0, SBP. These are the two or the latest PBF versions currently in the market. Okay. The functionalities PBF 9.0 and SBP are the same except SBP is built on BPC 10.1. The rest of all the functionalities are the same compared with 9.0 and SBP. On the next slide, I'm going to explain the functions for PBF. The main functions for PBF are budget forms, state and local forms, and PEP. The PEP means personal expenditure planning. This personal expenditure planning we require employees and position data to know how much cost to the company coming year or next year. For this reason, PBF introduced these PEP calculations. While coming to the budget form, most of the government organization they are very much interested how much budget for current year or next year. They want to forecast those key figures in near future, like 1 year or 2 year. For this reason, SAP has come up with this product called PBF. And for creating a budget form, the minimum requirement is we require real-time info cube and planning query. Why we require planning query and real-time info cube is for the budget forms we require read and write operations from the end user because they can create their own budget form, they can enter their values, or if they are not interested they can delete some values and again they can add some more values. For these operations we need to perform from backend we require real-time info cube, and to import these all budget forms we require planning query for that. Here SAP delivered, SAP PBF delivered budget form. We have expense, revenue, and position tab. For each tab, we require one planning query to import from Visual Composer. For expense one planning query, one revenue one planning query, and position one planning query. In the expense tab, we have line items called commitment item, fund center. In revenue, also the same. Fund center and commitment item. For position we have commitment item or some pay scales. These all the information available at line level. However, it all depends upon their organization requirement. What data they want to keep at line item level, fund center, grant, or any other FM dimensions. That all depends upon their requirement. But however, the SAP PBF delivered budget forms, we have these functionalities. And the real-time info cube is slash PBF BI BF underscore cube is the real-time info cube delivered by SAP PBF. On the next slide, I'm going to explain the header area for creating a budget form. For creating a budget form, the SAP delivered budget form template, we have FM area, fund center, funded program, grant, functional area. Well, coming to the FM area is a superior info object, and rest of all other objects are master data. And the SAP PBF also given on feasibility to update master data while running some transactions that developed by SAP PBF team. Once you run these transactions, the required master data will fill automatically with respect to these all FM dimensions. Well, coming to the budget form, in expense and revenue and position tabs, SAP delivered 2 years forecasting, current year and next year. If the organizations they want to implement 3 years or 4 years, that depends upon their requirement. They can enhance this budget form template. For this reason, SAP PBF called as the budget form as a template. For using this template, the organization they can enhance their functionalities. If they want to include one more tab, expense revenue position, expense one, revenue one, if they want to enhance their capabilities, they can create their own budget form, they can customize their budget forms, and these are the flexibility given by SAP. If you want to create any new tab and it require minimum one planning query, and the data should be saved in real-time info cube. That depends upon their organization requirement. They can use the same cube or they can use their own customized cube. That's all depends upon organization requirement. And here we also have position. Position is mainly meant for PEP calculations. How much cost to the company for current year or next year. These all the calculations will come into this tab, position tab. I hope you all enjoyed this session. And the next session I'm going to give more information about PEP called personal expenditure planning, how the PEP calculation works in background and how it is going to utilize in terms of organization. Like if they give 1% or 5% hike to the employees, how much the cost to the company. If they decrease the percentage of hike, how much it will save to the company. These all the informations I'm going to discuss in next session. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to receive any new information like this. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.